is a very spontaneous one. Welcome back to Car Addicts Rundown. Today it was foreseen that there will be lots of sun, it will be very warm, but in fact it's quite grey. And I decided to make something very spontaneously. I'm going to my garage and taking out one of my almost forgotten beauties, which is an Alfa Romeo 33 Sports Wagon. Cars that have gone quite rare these days because most of them have rotten away. This one, you will see in a minute, is in an exceptional condition. So now, as I just mentioned, we are outside and very likely there will be a lot of wind noise. I've taken out the SLK just to go here quickly, and as you can see in the sky, it's really not nice. So let's see if the Alfa will start. See you in a minute. Just need to put the battery on the Diplomat so that he can go out first, and then we'll take the Alfa. Advantage of American V8s, they always start. See you! So we try to put on the battery and see if he starts like this, or I have to pull in the SLK and then give it some defibrillation. Let's see. Italian. Just have a look at the wonderful instruments, really nice ones. You can see that the plastics are in perfect condition. It's almost like the car has just gotten out of the factory. some material that I already put together last year of the car, especially the details, the interior and so on, so that you really get an impression of it.